Useful vocabulary for everyday life. Call off, cancel. Did they call off the meeting? Yes, they cancelled it due to bad weather. Look after, take care of. Will you look after my dog? Of course, I'll take care of him. Look for, search for. Are you looking for your name? Yes, I can't find them. Pick up, collect. Can you pick up some groceries? Sure, I'll collect them on my way. Turn on, switch on. Can you turn on the light? Sure, I'll switch them on. Turn off, switch off. Can you turn off the lights? Sure, I'll switch them off. Put on, wear. What should I put on for the party? Wear a beautiful dress. Take off, remove. Should I take off my shoes? Yes, please. Remove them before entering. Take out, throw away out. Can you take out the trash? Yes, I'll throw it away. Get up, rise. What time do you usually get up? I rise at 6 a.m. Check in. Arrive and register at a hotel. Did you check in at the hotel? Yes, we registered at the reception. Check out. Leave and depart from hotel. When do we need to check out of the hotel? Check-out time is usually by 11 a.m. Turn up, arrive. Did she turn up for the meeting? No, she did not arrive on time. Put off, postpone. Did they put off the wedding? Yes, they postponed it due to illness. hold on, wait. Can you hold on for a moment? Sure, I will wait. Kick off, start. Can I kick off the game? Sure, you can start first. Look up, search for. Can you look up that word? Sure, I'll search for it. Wake up, awaken. When do you usually wake up? I awaken early. Get along. Have a good relationship. Do you get along with your neighbor? Yes, I have a good relationship. Turn down, reject. Did they turn down your job application? Yes, they rejected it. Call back. Return a phone call. Will you call me back? Yes, I'll return your call. Tear up. Separate something by wrapping. Does she tear up the letter? Yes, she tears up the letter. Run away, to escape. Will he run away with you? No, he will run away with my best friend. Run back. Rewind a film or cassette. Can you run it back to the beginning, please? Yes, I can run it back from beginning. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.